Good morning, guys. Welcome back to my channel. So today I have a video that I've been talking about. I talked about it in my vlog. I talked about it in my last hair video. So today I'm going to be showing you guys how I remove and I maintain my blonde hair. So underneath this bonnet I have my 613 16-inch wig from WorldNewHair. I installed it earlier on this week and now it is the end of the weekend. I have gotten my full use out of it and I want to wash my hair. So now I'm going to actually show you guys how I remove it, and then I'll also let you guys in on what I do for protecting and making sure that my 613 hair lasts a long time. So if you're unfamiliar, 613 is basically the number or the color code for blonde hair. This hair was platinum blonde. It was untouched, and then I got it customized. I got the roots to be a bit brown. I got some highlighting, you know, I made it look more natural, and then I installed it with the Don hair. So I absolutely loved that install. When it came to wearing the hair, I experienced zero shedding. I had a very comfortable time sleeping with it, because one thing about me, when it comes to the lace and it comes to the crunchiness of the lace, especially after like 2 days of an install, I get very irritable. But I didn't experience that with WorldNewHair. I knew that I wasn't going to experience that because I have worked with them before. So if you are interested in getting a new lace wig but you actually don't want to be dealing with a lot when it comes to an uncomfortable hairline, then I do definitely recommend WorldNewHair. I will have the link to the actual company down below, but I'll also have a link directly to this hair, because I know that a lot of people want to know exactly the type of hair that I got, because finding a good bob 613 wig is really difficult. I get it. I honestly get it. So yeah, I definitely recommend WorldNewHair when it comes to that 613. But without any further ado, let's get into how I remove this wig and how I take care of blonde hair. Let's go. Let's go to the bathroom. That's where we're gonna be doing all the action. Alright guys, so now I'm just going to basically brush out my hair. I had just been sleeping in a bonnet, honestly, but as you can see, there are still kind of kinks and curls in my hair. So if I did my heatless curls, I would wake up with beautiful hair. And I think I mentioned this in the last video, but this hair holds a curl, okay, beautifully. It does not fall, the curls don't fall, and I absolutely love how it handles heat and handles a curl. So that's how my hairline looked after a full weekend of rocking this hair. I love how the hair took to color. So this is the shampoo that I'm going to be using first. I'm going to take just a little bit of that and start rubbing it onto my frontal area. Now, my first piece of advice when it comes to removing any wig, not just 613 hair, is remove it with a shampoo. And I mean shampoo in the sense where remove it with like a soap, you know? I understand that there are people who are super like impatient and they just want to rip a wig off. Don't do that. That's like, do not rip hair out of your head. Firstly, it's not good for the actual lace and it's not good for your actual hairline. You will take out your hair. So I'm going to just, you know, lather the hair with some water when I feel like the shampoo is not working to, you know, foam up. I just foam it up with some water, and as you can see, the hair is starting to come up. Secondly, when it comes to removing with a shampoo, it's so much better if your hair is like mine and we've added some color or anything like that, because you're preserving that color. You're not using alcohol, which can sometimes take out color. So as you can see, the hair just simply slides off, and I loved the lace because the lace was soft throughout. And this is me showing you the lace. So as you can see, I did no damage to my lace, and the color is still really good on the actual hair. The hair, like I said, really holds a color well. So now when it comes to maintaining this color, I'm going to be using this shampoo from John Frieda, and it is for blonde hair. When it comes to maintaining your blonde hair, you want to make sure that you go out and look for a purple shampoo. This is godsend. This is great for if you have, firstly, 613 hair, because it will maintain whatever color you have on the actual, hair. But if you have DIY'd or gotten black hair turned into maybe a blonde, or you've highlighted, it is really, really good to get your hands on some purple shampoo. Purple shampoo on the color wheel works to combat any orange, any ashy type of brassiness that can come onto your blonde hair, because blonde hair is very high maintenance. So when it comes to purple shampoo, you can use it on your lace, you can use it on the actual strands of the hair, and it will not only preserve the color of the blonde hair, but you can also soak the hair in purple shampoo and get it brighter. But this is my NB, you have to be very, very careful, because this is blonde hair, so it will take to color very easily. You don't want to dye your hair purple because you left it on too long. So now I'm just going to put some warm water in the basin, and I'm going to kind of soak the hair in a bath of this purple shampoo. And I'm also just going to start washing it. So I'm not trying to lift any color, I'm trying to maintain the color. So I'm just going to normally wash the hair. And I can say when it came to washing this hair, I did not experience any fallout, which was great. The tracks were very nicely sewn on, so I didn't experience any lifting of the actual tracks. The comb stayed in. The hair is actually very, very nicely made, the wig actually, and all I really had to do after that was rinse. So my top tips are: get yourself some purple shampoo, get yourself a great quality wig, and you will be able to maintain your blonde hair. Go into my description box below and I will have links for you to shop. I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.